15 scientific breakthroughs straight out of science fiction. Imagine a world where the most impossible ideas from science fiction novels, movies, and stories are no longer dreams, but our reality. Technology and science today are advancing at such exponential rates that concepts once labeled as fiction are now shaping the fabric of our everyday lives. Welcome to a journey where we explore 15 groundbreaking scientific advancements that blur the line between imagination and reality, giving us a glimpse of an astonishing future. What if you could move a robotic arm simply by thinking about it? Mind-controlled prosthetics are now a reality. Using neural interfaces, scientists have developed prosthetics that connect to the brain's neural signals, allowing people to control them with their thoughts. These devices not only mimic natural movement, but are giving individuals who've lost their limbs an extraordinary new level of independence. Innovations like this show how breakthroughs in neuroscience and engineering are redefining disability. In a sci-fi future, a doctor might print a new organ for you on demand. That future is coming to life today through the marvel of lab-grown organs. Using tissue engineering and cells from the patient's own body, scientists are now growing functional organs in laboratories. This could eliminate the need for organ donors and reduce the risks of transplant rejection. The power to create life-saving organs as needed is nothing short of extraordinary. Imagine tiny robots navigating through your body, targeting illness with surgical precision. Nanorobots, microscopic machines that can deliver drugs directly to specific cells, are already being developed to fight diseases like cancer. Unlike traditional treatments, these nanobots are highly precise, reducing side effects and improving outcomes. The future of medicine is moving toward a world where healing happens on a cellular level. Nothing in science fiction represents unimaginable power, quite like quantum computing. Traditional computers use bits as the smallest unit of data, ones and zeros. Quantum computers, however, use quantum bits or qubits, which can represent multiple states at once. This ability allows quantum computers to solve in seconds problems that would take traditional supercomputers millions of years. From advancing artificial intelligence to developing cures for diseases, quantum computing is poised to revolutionize nearly every industry. What if you could type words just by thinking them, or control a digital device without touching it? Brain-computer interfaces are making this a reality. Technologies like Elon Musk's Neuralink are creating direct channels between human brains and computers. This could one day allow people with severe communication challenges to regain their ability to connect with others, or even create entire new ways to interact with technology. Artificial intelligence has exceeded all expectations, going beyond just solving problems to creating new ideas. AI systems can now compose music, design buildings, and even invent new materials. By combining massive amounts of data with deep learning algorithms, AI is unlocking creativity in ways we never thought machines could achieve. The line between human creativity and AI is starting to blur in incredible and exciting ways. The holy grail of clean energy is nuclear fusion, a process that powers the stars in the sky. Unlike nuclear fission, the current method of nuclear power generation, fusion generates immense amounts of energy with minimal waste and no greenhouse gases. Recent advancements have brought us closer than ever to unlocking its potential, promising nearly limitless and sustainable energy for the world. If harnessed effectively, fusion power could solve many of humanity's energy and environmental challenges. Imagine satellites orbiting Earth, harvesting the endless energy of the sun, and then wirelessly transmitting this power to the ground. Solar-powered satellites are under development as a sustainable solution for energy needs. These satellites could beam power directly to areas that lack infrastructure, providing clean electricity to even the most remote regions. This innovation could revolutionize global access to energy. Imagine materials that can repair themselves after being damaged, just like living organisms. Self-healing materials are being developed using advanced polymers and coatings that restore their original form. Think about it: infrastructure, roads, or even your smartphone repairing itself after wear and tear. This could dramatically reduce waste and conserve resources, paving the way for a more sustainable future. With rising sea levels becoming a critical concern, the idea of floating cities is moving from imagination into reality. Pioneering architects and engineers are designing sustainable, climate-resilient habitats that float on the ocean. These cities would harness renewable energy, recycle waste, and provide homes for populations affected by environmental changes. Floating cities may become humanity's creative response to some of the century's greatest challenges. Space travel has never been more accessible, thanks to reusable rockets developed by companies like SpaceX. These rockets reduce the cost of space exploration by being launched, landed, and launched again. This innovation is vital in making human spaceflight routine, leading us closer to colonies on the Moon, Mars, and perhaps beyond. The stars are no longer out of reach, they're within our grasp. In science fiction, humanity often dreams of colonizing distant planets. That dream is becoming a reality. Missions to create permanent settlements on the Moon and Mars are underway, with companies and space agencies developing technologies to sustain life. From growing food in controlled environments to harvesting resources from alien worlds, off-world colonies promise to be humanity's next frontier. Teleportation may still live in the realm of fantasy, but holographic communication is bringing us one step closer. Using light field technologies, scientists have created 3D holograms that allow people to interact and converse as if they were physically present. In the future, we may attend meetings, visit loved ones, or even enjoy concerts in holographic form, transcending physical boundaries. Imagine editing the very blueprint of life. Genetic engineering, powered by CRISPR technology, allows scientists to deliberately alter DNA. This has enabled efforts to cure genetic disorders, enhance crops, and even design organisms tailored for specific functions. While ethical considerations remain, the potential to eliminate diseases and improve the quality of life makes genetic engineering one of the most promising fields of the future. The sci-fi dream of intelligent living spaces is now becoming reality. Smart homes and intelligent environments powered by the Internet of Things, IoT, adapt seamlessly to a person's preferences and behaviors. Lights, temperature, appliances, and security systems respond automatically, making spaces more efficient and convenient. Soon, entire cities may function as interconnected hubs of automation. What's fascinating about these breakthroughs is how many of them were inspired by science fiction itself. From Isaac Asimov to Arthur C. Clarke, the visionaries of the past predicted many of the technologies we see emerging today. Their stories didn't just entertain. They sparked ideas, inspired innovation, and fueled the imaginations of scientists and engineers tackling the impossible. As thrilling as these advancements are, they come with challenges we cannot overlook. Ethical dilemmas, environmental consequences, and questions about accessibility surround many of these inventions. Will these breakthroughs benefit all of humanity, or only a privileged few? And how do we balance extraordinary advancements with their potential risks? These are the questions we must confront as we shape the future. As we reflect on these 15 futuristic breakthroughs, one thing becomes clear. The future is not as distant as it seems. Concepts that were once confined to the realm of fantasy are now being built in labs, designed in factories, and launched into space. These innovations aren't just reshaping our world, they're expanding what it means to be human. So what does this mean for you? It means staying curious and celebrating the human drive to imagine, create, and explore. It means not just waiting for the future, but participating in its construction. Because science fiction isn't just someone else's dream. It's the story we're all writing together. What breakthroughs will the next decade unlock? What challenges will we overcome? And which ideas from today's science fiction will we bring into tomorrow's reality? The future beckons. Let's prepare to be amazed.